Side hustle number 3 is my favorite side hustle because it pays every single month. That's forever money, and y'all know how I am about that. I love making money when I'm asleep, and that's affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? All these companies out here need to get their product in front of people so people can buy. Yes, they pay for Facebook and Instagram ads. Yes, they pay for Super Bowl commercials and billboards. But all that stuff costs a lot of money. A more cost-effective way to market,
my ducks, my swans, welcome to the pod,
is through having an affiliate link. At Group82University.com, we have an affiliate marketing program where we give people an affiliate link. We have courses at Group82University.com that retail for $2,000. We give a 50% commission on that. So if you go to Group82University.com, you sign up for free. Anything you sell on our website, we're gonna give you a 50% commission. So that $2,000 course, if you sell that and get somebody to buy it, which we have had a lot of people buy the course, you're gonna make $1,000 just off that. Affiliate marketing is dope because you can promote it through things you're already doing. Like this video has affiliate links in the description. So whenever y'all click on those, I get paid. This video is gonna live on forever. Anyone that types in top 5 best side hustles or I need side hustles, or y'all write in the comments whatever it is y'all typed in that made y'all see this video, that is Evergreen Content. And because the description is full of affiliate links, I get paid off of that forever. Now, how does this work for forever money? Because if someone buys a course for $2,000 and you get paid $1,000, you only gonna get paid one time. We gotta find affiliate programs that have monthly services. And my favorite affiliate program that's a monthly service is TubeBuddy. Anybody's trying to get any sort of action on YouTube and you got a channel between 0 to 1,000 subscribers, you absolutely need to download TubeBuddy. Click the link below. It's free. It's going to change your entire YouTube backend so you can start learning this SEO game. But the great thing about TubeBuddy is to unlock their really powerful features, you can subscribe to their monthly service. It's like $5 a month, $10 a month, or you can pay annually. Because if somebody's really serious about their YouTube growth, they're going to want all the tools possible. And if you are really giving them game on how they can use them tools, they're going to click your link. And TubeBuddy pays you every single month because it's a monthly service. When I started getting paid from TubeBuddy affiliates, I had a 50% commission. So if somebody signed up for one of TubeBuddy's monthly services for $10 a month, I got paid $5 every single month as long as they had TubeBuddy. And if somebody is really serious about growing YouTube, they're going to have TubeBuddy for a long time. And those just become residual checks, just like you get from your music. Last week, TubeBuddy paid me $700 and I didn't even have to do nothing because this is stuff from content I've made years ago. And I talk about how I set myself up years ago to be getting those type of passive income checks now today in my How to Grow Your YouTube Channel course. I got a whole section on how to monetize YouTube, and I really go deep into affiliate marketing and the affiliates that I use that pay me upwards of $1,500 to $2,000 a month without me really having to do that much with it anymore. If you're a YouTuber who's looking to get more revenue streams, click the link below and enroll in the course. For those of y'all that have done affiliate marketing, what affiliate programs do y'all have? What do y'all use? How do they pay? How much have you made? Have you had some good ones? Have you had some bad ones? Write in the comments so we can know which ones we need to go after, because I love getting forever money streams, and which ones we need to stay away from.
Group82University.com.